Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can change date of birth on Snapchat. So for that you need to open up your Snapchat, then go to your profile. After that click on settings on the top right hand side corner, and here you will find this section called birthday. Just click on it and then just click on birthday and update it, and it will be changed quite easily. And in case if you have reached the limit, then there is no way that you can change your date of birth, or even if you ask the Snapchat support for you to change it, then they won't be able to help you out at all, as it is clearly written in their terms and conditions that you won't be able to change your date of birth if you have given a false date of birth before to make yourself over 18. So that's why there is no point of contacting Snapchat support the way the other YouTube videos are telling you. So don't waste your time, rather create a new account or just follow the way that I just shown you to change your date of birth. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.